The United States, Canada, and Mexico have ratified a new free trade agreement. The new agreement replaces the previous NAFTA trade agreement and came into effect on the 1st of July 2020. In this video, we will show you how to create a Certificate of Origin document to contain all of the data required for the new trade agreement. There are three official names for the agreement. For the USA, USMCA. For Canada, CUSMA. For Mexico, T-MEC. It has also been characterized as NAFTA 2.0 or the new NAFTA. Under USMCA, a Certificate of Origin form is not essential, but there are a set of data elements that are required, which shippers can provide in various formats. Shippers use Incodocs to create and download a Certificate of Origin that contains all of the data elements that are required. The data elements required includes company details of the certifier, exporter, producer, and importer, description of the originating goods, including the description of goods, HS tariff classification, origin criterion, blanket period, and country of origin. The document will include a statement and an authorized signature from a company representative. Here's how shippers use Incodocs to easily create a USMCA Certificate of Origin template. Let's say that I'm an exporter in the USA that has just shipped products to my customer in Canada. At the top, I have to confirm all of the parties that are involved in the shipment. I can select the parties from my list or click Create to add and save new company details. My company is the certifier, so I will select my company, ABC Exports. Producer, my company is also the producer, so I will select ABC Exports again. My company is also the exporter. Importer, I will select my customer, Canadian Imports. If applicable, I can enter the dates of the blanket period that I want this certificate to cover. I will select from July to November. Here I can add any additional information onto the document. Then I enter the details of the products. Description of good, HS tariff classification, origin criterion. In order for the goods to be entitled to preferential tariff treatment, each product must meet one of the criteria of the rules of origin contained in Chapter 4. I will enter D. Net cost and country of origin, United States. At the bottom, this document includes a declaration that I make on behalf of my company. I also further certify that I am the exporter. Then on the right, I sign and date the document. Place of issue, Long Beach. Date of issue. Signatory company declaration is my company. Name of authorized signatory is my name. I can sign the document here using my mouse, or if I've already created a profile signature, I can just click Use Profile Signature to insert my signature onto the document. I click Save and the document will be created. From this screen, I can preview the document and choose to download or print the document as required. Also, if I want to add my company's digital stamp, I can click More and Add Company Seal. I complete the details and then place the stamp onto the document.